Hi, we're doing something a little different today. Going to the temple. This is my outfit of the day. Or the green is the green one with the pink and yellow. ISKCON मंदिर वहाँ पे यहाँ पे आगे रोक दीजिए बस पार्किंग वहाँ थी. Reached ISKCON, just walking in now. In time for Aarti. Aarti is getting over. This is the fastest I can run. I'm fasting. I'm going to try. I'm not going to drink water also. I took a little prasad because prasad you have to. It was ghee, I think, something sweet. So let's see how today goes. Headed home. I'm contemplating on whether or not I should play table tennis. Thank you. So as I was saying, I'm contemplating on whether or not I should play table tennis. Hi. I'm fasting today. I don't think I told you all before. I don't know. I've not had water since yesterday, since last evening. I'm not eating. The most difficult thing was not being able to take a nap and not sweating because you can't abuse. I think I'm going to fast every month, hopefully. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to go play table tennis because I need to wake up. I love this Instagrammer, content creator, Anish. She does such sweet things for people. As I was saying, I'm trying to not sleep right now, so that's why I'm playing table tennis. Let's do this. My mother's so sweet. She didn't want to play today, but she's come with me because I said that I'm going to fall asleep otherwise. So the planets will align tonight at 8 p.m. which is quite interesting. There are so many things they say you need to do. I personally don't believe in manifestation or making wishes because sometimes I feel like God knows what you need best. And I just pray for strength and buddhi honi chahiye. That you need to understand some things that don't happen in your favor. It's for a reason. I was just thinking about this today. that I'm glad so many of the things I thought I wanted, I didn't get them because I don't know, I think it would have been so bad. That is maturity, I guess. Realizing that everything you want isn't what you need. I'm wearing a sweater because I'm feeling a little. The only thing about not eating is you feel a little cold. That you're not supposed to ask for strength because then God tests you. I, honest to God, when I go to pray, I'll pray for other people, and most of the times I forget to ask for things for myself. That's the honest truth, madre. Okay, let's play table tennis. Let's do this. खेल शुरू करते हैं. Ew, why is it wet here? Please tell me it's a leakage and someone did. I don't know. What do you mean? Me playing table tennis. That's all for today's vlog. I think go there. I think it's better lighting that side. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope everything gets better for you all tomorrow after the planets align. And I'll let you all know what happened. Look at this pimple, bro. It's alright though. Bye. It's 4:40. I've never felt time move slower. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know if I'm, you're just greedy. You're not hungry, you're just greedy and thirsty. Yeah, maybe. I'm not thirsty. I don't know what I am anymore. Have you all ever fasted? Let me know. Does it get easier with time? Construction is happening. Honest with you all, I just drank water and I'm really hungry. I think I'm gonna eat something and I'll eat fruits. Maybe I'm gonna try fasting better next month. That's the update for now. See, I'm trying and I tried, so that counts. I'm just trying to make myself feel better. There was 5 hours left and I was like, oh, it's not that much time. It's not that much time. Who am I kidding? 5 hours is a long time. And water is so good. I love water. I tried, God, please. Please, please, please see that I tried. Literally low-key struggling to hold my phone up right now. That's how hungry I am. I'm just thinking of food, which is bad, I know. But I'm going to eat something really nice now. Bye, guys. Whoever is fasting, hats off to you all, honest to God. God bless you. The thing. I'm thinking, should I just eat fruits or should I eat something substantial? Because I don't know, I suddenly feel as though I'm really hungry. I'm literally falling off the bed. That's how cranky and I just want to eat. Okay, I'm gonna eat. I know this sounds horrible. I feel like eating a burger. Or pancakes. Or something nice. Or even just... I don't want to say it. I'm supposed to be a vegetarian today, but God understands, I guess. I wasn't fasting for anything specific anyway. It was just the thing that I did, and now I'm just gonna eat. And the funniest thing is, I was supposed to start this yesterday, eat one meal yesterday, and then fast. I didn't even do that. I can't eat my hand. I'm gonna eat something nice. I've gotten this habit of biting. Like I like biting my and I'm not biting people, just in case anyone was worried. Thank you guys for watching this video. My arm hurts, so I'm gonna go now and eat something. Bye. I'm thinking of what to eat, and that's like taking time. So this by the time I've eaten, but tell me, what would you eat if you were me? What is your ideal comfort food, or just any food? What I've ended up doing is I'm eating fruits with raisins and dates and cocoa powder, because I want to try to do as much as I can with the fast. And this is the best thing. So it's bananas, chikus, grapes and dates and raisins and cocoa powder. I've accomplished something. Next month I hope I'm better at this and I can fast properly. I think I'm going to take it step by step and not give up water from the get-go. Start slow. Bye guys.